Here is an arithmetic problem for you. Think about your answer, and if you did like, pause the video and comment your solution below. Now let's go over the solution and see how you did. Here this type of expression are solved using BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, B stands for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Here division and multiplication both are at same level, and addition and subtraction both are at same level. We have to follow left to right approach to solve these expressions. We have to see which one is at left and which one is at right. Here in this equation, we have to give priority to 3 square because it comes under order part of BODMAS rule. So 10 minus 9 plus 1 is simply a form of the equation. Then we have to give priority to 10 minus 9 because it comes at the left side of the equation. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 plus 1 2. So final answer for this expression is 2, option number 3.